This is how to make a cute argyle cardigan on pixlr. So first you're going to search up in your browser pixlr, which is spelled like this, and then you want to go pixlr E. Once you're in pixlr E, you're going to open a new image, which is going to be the file that you're going to save right now. So go to shirts in Roblox in create. If you have premium, this is what it will be like. You need premium to create this, just as a reminder, so you guys don't go and like be sad. Sorry about that. But if you don't have a template, download it here. You can download it by right clicking and saving the image. I've already done that, so I don't need to do that. Once you've done that, go to pixlr. I've already opened like the tab, so that's why I deleted it. Go to open image and find the template. That's what I'm doing right now. So the shirt template, not the pants template. That's, people make those mistakes a lot, and that's why it never ends up working right. So then you want to go to Pinterest and search up argyle print. I think that's how you spell it, or say, I'm not sure. So argyle print. Now you're gonna pick one. So this is nice, but I've already done one like that, so I think, yeah, this is the one I'm gonna choose. So I'm going to right click on that, save image as, and make sure it's on JPEG image or anything else. But if it doesn't have like the little camera in the corner of this like paper picture, then it doesn't work. So then once you've saved that, you're gonna go to layer, add image as layer, and pick that thing, the print you just saved. Now size it to the size of like the front bit of this template. Should say front, it's pretty self-explanatory. Then size it, and then you want to crop it. Like, I'll show you how much to crop. So as you can see, this I'll zoom in so you guys have a little better explanation. Here, as you can see, this owl, just a little bit like under that, you want to crop it. Make sure you're on the print and backspace. You just want to completely delete that. It's really simple. Then if you're a little over on the side like I am, it's like not really coming up like perfect, so I'm just gonna delete that. No, I'm not, because that just made it worse. Okay, next you're gonna want to zoom out. Well, I'm gonna zoom out, and you're going to want to fill in the rest of the like template, and like to make the sleeves and then like upper neck area. So you're gonna go to color picker and pick like a color that you like the most, like that mostly stands out on this. So I've picked that right there. Then you're gonna want to go to your box like creator. I'm gonna create this upper bit. Oops. And you're gonna make the size of that. Make sure you got it like perfectly. Then you're gonna want to go to layer, new layer, and get that bucket, and make sure you're on that purple or like the color you just selected, and put it right there. So you're gonna want to click off with this tool and go back with this tool and just shape it to how big or how small you like. If it's not fitting good for you, go to free transform and just fit it until it's perfect. I'm doing that right now. There we go. Press apply and it should be applied. Next you want to go click on it with your arrange tool and then duplicate. Press duplicate, and that's pretty much how you copy it. And then like put it as the arms. You might have to edit it and make it the size of this because it's completely different. Then apply, and then I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to just move it over. Perfect. That's what it should look like. Make sure it's all even, otherwise it will look really weird and terrible. Then you're going to want to do that box thing again with this tool, marquee select, the select tool. Then you want to go make the size of this. I mean, these are not the arms, these are the sides of the top. Oh my god, my bad. Okay, so here you're going to want to make it that color that you just selected. Make sure you make a new layer and fill it in. Perfect. Go back to select tool and click off. Anyway, this is what it should look like. What I like to do is I like to combine all the layers, which you're gonna, how to do that, you press this, you click on the layer and you press merge down. Make sure you merge down all the layers, well not all of them, but the layers that you want to be merged down. Okay, next I'm actually going to do the erasing of the neck. So how you would do that is you want to go to eraser, click on this hexagon tool, or no, 6-sided tool, I have no idea what it's called. Make it the size 60 and just erase the neck area. Make sure you're clicked on this. Erase it. That's what it should look like once you've erased it. I'm going to do it more down. So you should do it like about there. I think that's reasonable until you see like that little O. I mean, yeah, O. Front, yeah. Anyways, then you want to go to, you want to click on the brush tool, select this square and make it 60. Then you want to like kind of do the rest of the neck. It's a little too high for my liking. You can make it how high you want. Make sure the sides are even too. It's also too. I think a little higher. I'm a perfectionist. So there. That's perfect. This is what you want. And then what you're gonna do next is you're going to want to click on the brush and select the 4-pointed star, which is this one. You should have 4 points. So as you can see, this tool is what you want to select, turn it so this first point is up on its front. Yeah, make sure it's 100 and then make the like slit for the cardigan, if that's what I can say, I don't know. Then what you want to do is you want to make that little button right there. So go to brush, make sure you're on the purple or the color that you want. I'm going to change the color, I'm going to make it black so it stands out a bit more. So get your selector and click on the black or whatever color you want. Then you want to go to brush, draw, and make sure the size is 5. Or you can do any size you like. I just like 5 because it's cute. I'm not gonna judge you. Make the size. Make the button, which is gonna go right there. That's adorable. If you want to shade it, there's no really need to do that. But if you want to, if you're like a pro, you can do that. But I'm not. So, once you've done that, you've basically got the top part really done. So that's done and dusted. Okay, now you're gonna zoom out so you can have a look at everything. Now you're gonna make the long sleeve. I personally like long sleeve with these cardigans. Yeah, you could do a short sleeve cardigan, but this is just my personal preference. So what you want to do is you want to select with your selector the box of this whole arm bit of the template. Make sure you leave a little gap for the wrist. Then you want to go to layer, select a new layer and get your bucket. Oh, I forgot the most important point. Get a new color or the color of the sides of the top. So basically go back to fill and fill it. Select, click anywhere, and this is what it should look like. Personally, you don't have to put it to size of the template. So if you want to do that, you could cut it like that around the template, but you don't have to do that. That's just kind of a waste of time in my opinion, but if you want to, you can totally go for it. So now that you've got your shirt, you want to take off the background. Taking off the background make sure that when you like upload it, if you leave the template on, they'll ask, did you use a template? So you have to take it off because the background or the template is non-transparent. You want it to be, but they don't make it like that, so just take it off. Now that you've got it like this, you're all done with the shirt and the arms. So what I'll do is you would go to click on File and Save, or Control S. Then name it. I'm gonna call it cardigan. That's what you can name it, whatever. Make sure it's on PNG, otherwise it won't work. So make sure this is the size of it, otherwise it won't work. 585 by 559. That's what it should be. Download, and it takes 7 seconds to download. Close, go back to Roblox. Make sure you're on shirts in the create area. Choose your file, choose the file that you just made. And click on it, and then I'm gonna add a heart and upload. Now it's successfully created, and that's basically it. You're done making your shirt. I'll show you.